Hello everyone, today we will see that how we can find area of a rectangle in C. So this is the folder. I will create a file which is area of a rectangle. Okay, so that's C. So now my file is open. Now I will include our hash header files stdio.h. Okay, hash include. Okay, now after this for main function int main. Okay, and return 0. Now I have to declare some variable like uh, height and width. Okay, so this is width and height. Okay, and one more variable which is area of rectangle. Okay, now width is equal to 5 and height is 10 and area of rectangle is 1 meter plastic. Now print this, and now the file is completed. Now open the code is complete. Okay, this is actually formula with multiply height to find the area of rectangle. Reveal this in file explorer. Okay, print cmd and then compile the file. To compile the file you have to area underscore of rectangle dot c. Okay, sorry, and dot c dash output area of rect. Now run this file area of rectangle dot exe. It will show you the area of rectangle, which is actually 5 multiplied 10 is 50. So if the rectangle width is 5 and height is 10, their area must be 50. Okay, thanks for watching.